What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the Equity 3-inch LED alarm clock unboxing. Okay, let's check it out. It says right here, brightness control, 9-minute snooze and alarm volume control, electric powered. Okay, let's check the details about this clock. We see right here 3-inch red LED display, high-low display brightness, alarm with high-low settings, easy setup, easy to read buttons, large snooze button, snooze function with 9-minute duration, PM and alarm indicators, AC powered and a battery backup, one 9-volt battery sold separately. It's made in China. It says right here 2 years limited warranty, and it's made by Equity by Lacrosse. Okay, let's unbox this clock. Okay, let's check it out. Gonna open this box right here. Oh, we have the instructions right here, so you can see. So you can set it up. Let's put it on the side. We have right here the electric powered to power the clock. Okay, let's unscrew these bolts right here in the back. What is holding the clock? Okay, I'm gonna use this tool right here that I have to undo this. Okay, let's see. Let's check it out. Okay, let's put this on the side. Okay, there you go. Okay, let me see what's going on in here. Let me just undo this in here. Let me just rip it off. There you go. Okay, let's put this on the side. Okay, this is the back of the clock. We have right here to put a 9-volt battery in the back. We have the speaker, or to listen to the alarm. Okay. Okay. Let's see the front. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. It's big. We have the snooze button right here. We have the alarm to set it up, high, low, and off. We have the hours, the minutes, to lower the brightness of the clock, high, low. We have the time to set up the time, the alarm, and to keep it running right there. See the bottom. It's a cheap plastic. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this sticker right here in the front, so we can see the actual clock. Boom, there you go. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this so we can see the clock. I'm gonna turn off the lights so you guys can see the LED. Okay, let's see. Okay, there you go. So I'm just gonna set this up. I'm gonna select time, and then I'm gonna select the hour. It is 7:59. Oops. Okay, 7:59. Let's do 8. That's the high brightness, low brightness. High. Oops. Let me set this up again because I messed it up. Do apologize, guys. I have to switch this to ROM. There you go. This is the high LED brightness and low. High and low. High. Okay. That's high and low brightness. Very nice. Check that out. I like it so far. Well, there you go, guys. There you have it. And here you select the alarm. It's pretty big. It's 3 inches for the LED. Let me see. Let me measure this right here. Okay. Total is like 5 inches long. And thickness is like 2 to 3 inches, 2.5 inches. Let's see how long is this. It's like 9 inches long. Okay, there you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And just tell me, what do you think about this clock on the comments below. I'll see you later, guys.